Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aamna and I am a veterinary student. In this video, we'll try and understand how to repair the broken bones in animals. So basically, we'll talk about the immobilization in castings, what are the different materials that are used in casting on the broken bone. So let's get started. Okay. uh, the history starts from very earlier. When the humans in the very history, in the very ancient times, when they used to have the fracture, so there was a scientist or the person who has many contributions, a tremendous contributions in the field of medical. So what he used to did, he used to wrap the injured limbs with the help of the bandages which are used right now in the modern world as well, but he used to soak that with the wax and the resins, right? So moving forward, and these are the certain types of the casting materials who use the wooden materials, right? You can see over here they use the wooden materials and they used to wrap it with that. And in the history, some of the things claim that they used eggs as well, the egg white as well. They used to soak the white cotton with the egg and then used to just pour upon the broken bones as well. So moving forward in talking about the Arab scientist whose name was the Al-Zahrawi. Al-Zahrawi, he's in today's world he is considered as the father of the operative surgery, and the most important thing, he introduced over 200 surgical tools and they are used still today, and he has the tremendous contribution in treating the humans who was used to have the fracture in their limbs and their forearms. And moving forward in talking about the particular thing that is used right now in the modern, in the ancient, in the modern world as well, that is the plaster of Paris. Most commonly when the animals or the humans, we are talking about the both, when the animals went to the clinics with the broken bones. So now we will now what we do, we pour the plaster of surgery. So how it was invented, how it was discovered by the Dutch army surgeon named as Antonius Mathijsen. He was the surgeon in the army. So what happened? He was just passing from the Egypt in 1852. He saw the house made up of the gypsum, right? Gypsum is the material from which the plaster of Paris is made right now, right? So gypsum, from in the ancient times, gypsum is a material from which the people used to build their house as well, build their homes as well. So there was a home which was made up of the gypsum. The fire captured it and it become in the powder form, right? When the rain poured upon that a home or a house, so it, it become like a solid structure. So the Anthony Matheson captured it, discovered that the plaster of Paris has certain capability to be used in as a casting material in the treatment of the limbs as well. So he used it in his practices. And then right now we use the plaster of Paris most commonly in our treatments. So let's discuss how it is used. So how to apply this? So it is very simple to apply this. We have the soft bandages and then orthopedic cloth, which is also known as cotton, and then hard bandages, which is also known as the plaster of Paris. We have to just pour it for some amount of time in the water, and then we start pouring it upon the broken area or the fractured area. So there are two most commonly types of the fracture. Number one is the open fracture and the closed fracture. Open fracture is something that your bone is out from the muscles as well. But in this case, closed fracture, your bone is not out from the muscle, but in the area where it is lying, the bone is lying, it just break from some part. So that is the fractured bone. Hope you understand this. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching this.